What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel, and in this video you're going to get a first look at some of the newest, if not the newest, tools to the market. There's been shots fired across the bow by the KOBALT Tool Company. They're moving up range. We did an unboxing previously here showing you some of their newest offerings, giving you some specifications. We wanted to wait until the official release of their new tool line, the official, before giving you some specs and performance testing. In the meantime, we asked you, which tools were you most interested in seeing performance tests from first? Overwhelmingly, the most requested was this beauty. This compact recip saw, 24 volt max from the XTR line with Orbital on-off, an adjustable shoe, a nice bright LED, and from our preliminary testing, lots and lots of power. You were most interested, we were most interested. We're gonna do some testing with this, but I wanted to take a look on the interior to see where it gets all of its from. Coming right up after this message from our sponsor, BCG Construction. Yo, look at that. Pretty amazing. Just to see how it works in there mechanically. It's like a Swiss watch. Let's get it put back together because we know what you're here for, performance. You can see the housing's metal. They've saved weight where they can though. Like this cover housing. It's like a valve cover, basically, if you think about it, okay? It's like a composite material. It doesn't have to be metal. It's only going to, all it's doing is keeping the grease where it's supposed to, or the lubricant where it's supposed to be kept. No reason to make it overly heavy. Listen, don't do this at home. We did it for you so you don't have to do it. Because if you can't get yours back together, it's not my fault. Sorry. Man, that, I will tell you this much. That is one strong motor. All better. I will tell you, I want to run some preliminary testing. I know which one you want to see first. Here's the deal. Let me give you some specifications on this bad boy. The KOBALT XTR 24 volt max recip saw. It's product number 1518743. You're looking at 3,100 strokes per minute. That is pretty awesome. I really don't know of another recip saw off the top of my head that offers that many strokes per minute. And it offers 1.25 inch stroke length. It's a lot of strokes. It's a long stroke. The other thing that's really awesome about this saw is it offers orbital action like we talked about earlier, especially useful for when cutting wood, large wood members. It gives an orbit to the saw blade that exaggerates that stroke length. Pretty awesome. Makes for really fast wood cutting. Wouldn't recommend it for metal cutting, FYI. This saw, even though it moves unbelievably fast, has a lot of anti-vibration technology built into it. Really awesome. And we're going to do a couple of tests with KOBALT's new 4 amp hour battery, as well as their older 6 amp hour battery. We'll see if that makes a difference with this new XTR saw. The tool does come with a 5-year warranty, does have Toolless blade change. I'll show you a little bit about that in a second. Has the adjustable shoe, has a nice bright LED, and it's compact. Bare tool. You're looking at 6 pounds, 9.3 ounces. Tools that are bare with no battery are pretty much useless. The 4 amp hour battery, this is their ultimate output battery. It's sporting 21,700 cells, brings the total weight of the tool with battery up to 8 pounds, 2.9 ounces. Still fairly compact. We have a pressure treated 6x6 timber or lumber or member, whatever you call it. Okay, we have some lines marked off here. What we're going to do is we're going to do multiple tests. We're going to test it with the 4 amp hour battery. We're going to do orbital off, then we're going to go orbital on. Okay, 2 separate tests. And then finally, we're going to put the 6 amp hour battery on here and see how it does. We could do orbital on, orbital off. We're going to try to keep some times. I'll mark it up on the whiteboard. All right, here we go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do 4 amp hour battery, right? We're going to do orbital and non. Okay, we're going to time through the 6x6. Then we're going to do the 6.0 battery. Okay, same thing. Orbital, non-orbital. We have a Swiss made. Look at that, Swiss made. Diablo recip saw blade, best in the business. Okay, let's see how easy. I will say this. I like it when there it goes. And it's out a little proud for me. I'm going to set our blade, boom, in tight. I'm going to set the shoe all the way down, confirm that our battery's fully charged, and it is. We're going to do the first test, like I said, with the 4 amp hour battery. We're going to do orbital off. We're going to use a 5 pound weight. And this is how our testing criteria goes. What we're going to do is, I'm just going to give the tool enough pressure to seat that blade into the pressure treated lumber. And then I'm going to let the 5 pound weight drag the tool through the lumber and not add any extra pressure. This is where we get a more controlled result. Ready?
Go.
Non-orbital, 18.63. Let's try something a little more aggressive. Orbital on.
Go.
17.16 seconds. It's doggone fast and super straight. Super straight. How about we try it with a 6 amp hour battery? Tell me when you're ready.
Orbital off, right?
This is orbital off, 6 amp hour battery. Well, I threw it at Nick. Whoa, that went flying. That's non-orbital, 16.53. It's crazy. I like getting to the bottom of this. I will say this, it was a little heftier with the bigger battery. I like the compactness of the 4 amp hour, but let's throw it in orbital, see what we can do.
Go.
Boom! 15.39. Now, here's the deal. This is a brand new saw. Maybe it's a simple matter of that grease heating up, the assembly inside wearing in, and the grease loosening up. It's making the saw run quicker. I don't know. But I will tell you this much. Out of the gate, impressive numbers, compact size, lightweight, especially with the 4 amp hour battery. This thing is formidable. Has a lot of features. And tell you what, KOBALT, the price is unreal. real. And if you like getting a lot of performance from tools that you don't have to spend a boatload of money on, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, and it helps out the channel immensely. We're gonna need to do some further testing, possibly put this through a tool test draw. Let us know down in the comments section below. What do you think that this new KOBALT 24 volt max XTR saw should go up against? We wanna know. Also, part of your homework is to let us know, what tool do you want the major specifications and tool testing for next? We wanna hear, we listen to you. We give you the content that you ask for because we love our YouTube community, the Very Cool Gang. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here with us. Thanks a lot, everybody. These are really exciting times. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.